Hey guys, it's Victoria, and today I am going to be doing a BoxyCharm unboxing thing. I don't think I've ever done a BoxyCharm unboxing. I've done Ipsy, but I've never done my BoxyCharm. And I started getting BoxyCharm probably about 5 months ago now, and I really love BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm is probably my favorite subscription service that I get. Like, that's the one I'm most excited for every month, so I'm gonna show you what I got. Okay, so the first thing that I got, and I'm really excited about it, is the ColourPop Golden State of Mind palette. That's what that looks like. And these colors, you guys, are like, whoa. Like, that is crazy. But all of them are shimmer shades, which I kind of like because I don't really have a lot of shimmer shades, but it doesn't have any like good like matte colors or anything. Like, they're all shimmery. So that's the thing, they're all shimmery, but they are very beautiful. The only thing is, like, they're the chunky glitter, so if you're not into chunky glitter, you're not gonna like this. But I was really happy to receive this because, I don't know, I don't have a lot of, well, I don't have any ColourPop products that I know of, so this is like my first ColourPop thing that I got, and yeah, I'm really excited about it. The next thing I got is the Tanya Crooks, the brow gel, okay, apparently it's an instant brow gel. It's like a tinted brow gel with microfibers in it, which I'm not really sure about the microfibers yet, but I think it's fine. That's what the color is. The color is pretty good for me. I have it in my eyebrows today, but obviously I have like other stuff in them too, so this isn't just the only thing in them. But I have it on my eyebrows today. I think the color is pretty good, but I have my eyebrow pencil like in there too, so it's probably darker. I don't know about the fibers in it yet because there is like little hairs in there, which is weird, but anyway, I was happy to get it just so I can try new things. And yeah, the next thing I got is I got the Dr. Brandt Pores No More vacuum cleaner pore purifying mask. Got this. Now girl, I haven't used this yet but this thing smells awful. This smells like it makes me gag every time I smell it. Like, it smells awful, but I'm sure it works really good. A coworker of mine gets BoxyCharm as well, and she said that this works really good, but it smelled bad, so yeah, I'm gonna try it out, but it smells awful. Okay, the next thing I got is I got the Tarte Tarteist Pro Glow liquid highlighter. I got the shade Sparkler? Yeah, Sparkler. This isn't really my color, or I would use it. This is like a very like tan color, and it's alright, but like, that's the color. On me, it's gonna be way too dark, if you can see it, like right there. That's gonna be too dark to highlight for me unless I get like a tan. Maybe this is like a encouragement for me to get a tan or something, but I'm probably not gonna be able to use this, so that's kind of unfortunate, but maybe in the summer if I get a tan, I'll probably be able to use it. But yeah, it's really pretty though, so yeah. The last thing I got is the Adis, I don't know how I was supposed to say that, high definition liquid lipstick in the color, the color name is not on here. I don't think it has a name. Adis, I don't know. Debbie's fave? I don't know. I don't know what the name is. So anyway, this really pretty like taupey brown color, and I haven't tried it yet, but my coworker said that she tried it, and she said that it doesn't dry down, but it's a really pretty like moisturizing liquid lipstick. But yeah, that's the shade right there. I think it's really pretty. Yeah, I probably would go with the look I had on today. Ooh. Anyway, I'm excited to try this. I love getting lip products because I don't really, that's the one thing I lack in my makeup collection is like lip stuff. I mainly just have like lip gloss and stuff, so I was happy to get that. If you guys would like to see more unboxing videos, let me know. I just got my Ipsy. If you guys want to see my Ipsy bag, I will do an unboxing of that. But yeah, that's everything I got in my BoxyCharm this month. Comment down below what you got in your BoxyCharm if you get BoxyCharm. And yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, become a part of my family. And yeah, love you guys so much. Bye.